Ay, po naman.
18, 1-8.
Tapas natin.
5 to number 5. Bam Possible, raise it up.
Po naman. Hindi lang galit. Ayan ba? Thank you, sir. May free ako, oh. Nay. Bawi na ako, bawi. Bawi lang tayo.
Serial number check.
Ano man ko?
35, 64, and 5. That's one good winner. Are there any others? Any others? Payment signal. The winner's close to this game. Lucky winner paying that winner out $500.
Alam bandera? Alam bandera? Yung naglagay ng bandera sa sikot. Alam naman na yung mami. Alam naman na yung... Ayun na nga si Maria.
Alright, the first number out will be your cash ball number 4 tonight.
Alisin mo kasi mga... Paano ka naman din nakikita mo? Alisin mo to.
Your
Alisin mo
cash
to.
ball number for tonight is I-16.
Para...
Once again, your cash ball number for tonight is 16.
Para nakakita ka sa camera.
Playing the first game on your package is looking for a 4-card bingo in or outside corners are okay with the wild number.
Ayun o. Alisin mo yung baso mo.
Suckers? You're not a sucker for suckers? I got 9. Suckers?
Saka.
Once again, looking for a 4-card bingo in or outside corners are okay with the wild number. Your first game wild numbers are 18. Please not call all numbers any unique. Your suckers, 500. It's sold out. That game is next. Done. Are you done with suckers? Thank you.
Buti na lang ka mo. Umabol. Ang dami namumuro nun.
Filipino family, right? You won, what was it called? Fireball.